Struggling to stand out in the competitive AI job market? Don't worry, you're not alone. Start by identifying your unique skills. Highlight both your technical skills, like machine learning, and soft skills, like creativity and collaboration. Next, build a portfolio that speaks for itself. Include everything from personal experiments with AI models to real-world applications like chatbots, predictive analytics, or AI-driven automation. Demonstrate your ability to apply AI across different industries. Networking is key to expanding your opportunities. Don't forget to network effectively within AI communities. Attend AI meetups, engage in online forums, and participate in hackathons. Building relationships with professionals and mentors in the industry can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Lastly, focus on what makes you stand out. Now it's your approach to problem solving, your ability to innovate, or your deep understanding of AI ethics. Seize every opportunity to prove your value, whether in interviews, projects, or presentations. Ready to dive into AI? Let's connect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.